सर हे सगळे बुके देऊ प्रेसिडेंट उद्घाटन करतात, लॉन्चिंग करतात. असोलला रजिस्टर झाला क्लब विथ सोसायटीज. गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट ऑलिंपिकाक फकाडांनी ते येदे व्हडले मेडल तांकां फावो जाले आनी बरी हॉकी खेळ्ळे ते. बरीशी सुंदर अशी ट्रॉफी तुम्ही हे स्मृतीचिन्ह पळयतात. एक ढाल. थँक्यू. सो असोलना आणि कुंकोलीम हे दोन क्लब आता रजिस्टर झाले हॉकीक.
अनएक्सपेक्टेड म्हज्या लायफान हांवें केन्नाय चिंतून आसतलें असलो दीस येतलो, कित्याक हांव इंटरनॅशनल प्लेयर्सां तांचे बाराबर बसतलो आनी तांकां हांव फॅसिलिटी करतलो. आयज हांव एकदम खुशाल. हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा डॉक्टर रविंद्रन मार्टिन्स जे हे प्रोग्राम हे फंक्शनाक म्हाका आपयलो म्हणून म्हाका एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली म्हणून. केन्नाय मिस्टेकीन एक प्लेयर इंटरनॅशनल मेळपाक शकता, 3 बराबर मेळप म्हणल्यार म्हाका दिसता म्हजें नशीब. सो आयज सदांच एक म्हाका दिसता एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनाचें एक तें आसता, एम आसता तो आमचो एक गांवांत क्लबा खेळचो, स्टेट लेवलाचो मागीर इंटरनॅशनल जावचो. अल्टिमेट एम आसता ती इंडिया खेळपाची. आनी म्हाका दिसता ह्या तिनूय प्लेयरान तेंचो गोल आहलो इंडिया खेळपाचो. आनीक तेजे रिकॉर्ड चोयलो जाल्यार अर्जुना एवॉर्डीज. सो तेंचेर आनी उलोवपाक नाका. आमी थोडी तेजी गेम चोयल्यो नासतली, आयकल्या थोडी टीव्हीचेर चोयल्यो आसतली, पूण तेजे फाटल्यान आमची असोलना हॉकी ती चलताली, ती मागीर स्लो स्लो बंद जाली आनी हॉकी नाच जाली. सो आज हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता असोलना हॉकी क्लब प्लस कुंकोलीम हॉकी क्लबाक. हे 3 म्हयन्यां भितर तुमी एक क्लब रजिस्टर्ड केले. सो हेजेर दिसती पडटा आमकां एकदम तुमी सिरियस आहाय म्हूण, कित्याक एक क्लबा हॉकी मुखार व्हरपाक. हांव जाणा फाटीं केन्नाय जोकी येतालो आनी केन्नाय म्हाका मेळ्ळा तो 2 फाटीं, कित्याक तो असोलना. सो तो प्रपोजल म्हाका डिस्कस करतालो हॉकी मुखार व्हरपाक. सो हांवें ताका म्हणलें म्हजो तुका सदांच सपोर्ट आहा म्हणून. ताणें प्रपोजल पासून दिल्ली आहा म्हाका कितें करून वचपाची ती. पूण आयज डॉक्टर रविंद्रन मार्टिन्सान हें फॉवर्ड वयल्या आनी हे तिगोय एकठांय जाल्यार तेजे म्हाका ग्रेडसनूय आहा. सो म्हाका दिसता हेजी दुबाव ना. हॉकी पोत्ती आमकां दिसती पडली आदली आनी आमकांय इंटरनॅशनल प्लेयर बेगीनूच दिसती पडले. सांगता ती गोश्ट पडल्यो फकत हॉकी आतां आमचे लागून 2 IAS ऑफिसर. फाटीं हांव आनी डॉक्टर रविंद्रनूय उलयताले आनी एक तरी जावचो म्हणून. सो तेंय करपाक डॉक्टर रविंद्रन म्हाका सदांच सपोर्ट आहा. कसलीय कॅरियर गायडन्स कोणाकूय कोणा UPSC वचचे एग्जाम आन्सर करपाक जाय जाल्यार ताणें म्हाका सदां सांगलां आपूण सदांच तुमचे बराबर आहा म्हणून. सो हांव मागतां ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आमच्या भुरग्यांक, कित्याक आतां चोयलो आसतलो आमी टॅलंट आमची ABC जाल्लीच, जायते टॅलंट इंटरनॅशनल फुटबॉलान एथलेटीक जाल्ली, पूण आतां ती स्लो स्लो गेल्या. स्कूल लेवलाचेर आमी शायन जाता आनी तेजे फाटल्यान फॉलोअप जायना. सो म्हाका दिसता हे क्लबान फॉलोअप जातले आनी आमकां इंटरनॅशनल प्लेयरूय मेळटले आनी आमचे जे भुरगे आतां डेडिकेटेड ते एम दवरून येतले इंटरनॅशनल कंट्री खेळपाचे म्हणून. सो आनी तेजी स्वप्नाय जातली आनी आमचे गोंय एकठांय जावन हें करतात. तो दुबाव ना. इंटरनॅशनल हॉकी प्लेयर्स एक्स प्लेयर्स हे मुखार हॉकीच्या मुखार वता म्हणल्यार म्हाका म्हणजे कांयच म्हणपाक जाय. 100% सक्सेसफूल जातले आनी हे आमचोय ताळोसो पार्ट आसतलो जाल्यार हांव तुमकां सदांच आसतलो तुमचे बराबर जावं खंयच्याय वाटेन. सो आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी एंड थँक यू वन्स अगेन.
It's a great privilege. I'm honored to be here among the 2 legends, Joaquim Carvalho, my coach, and Morgan Fernandez. They, in the past, have done it on the field, and today they are doing it off the field by trying to get hockey back into Goa. We, as Morgan said, we only talk in the air, but I have seen them. I've grown up, and Joaquim being my coach has mentored me in certain ways on the field. Many are tournaments that they organize in Bombay and keeping hockey alive there. Now they've come all the way from Bombay to Goa. let's hope and see that we can get another Joachim or another Mervin that represents India and get into the Olympics. I wish all of us all the best, and I'm always there for the support, Dr. Martins. Whenever there's a call, I'm there. Thank you.
Hockey, आम्ही भुरगे असताना Asiad, you remember TV तेन्ना ती 82. It was a craze. Black and white TV and आमचे कडेन सुद्दां TV नासली. We used to go to somebody's house. Okay. 82, 83, 83 यांतल्यान बाब जोकी, बाब मॉबिन हे खेळटा. आनी कोण तरी म्हणटालो असोडेचो कोण तरी आहा म्हणून. आमकां खबर ना खंय तो because they have studied in Bombay in top schools and the cradle of hockey was in Bandra area, Indian Railways, or maybe in the services. Other than that, I have not seen much. Now it has been there. Dhyan Chand ताणे म्हणलो तो he was a services person. So अशें जालें आनी आमकां इतली उमेद येताली तांकां पळोवपाक टिवीचेर. They were my heroes and I am happy that today my heroes एडगर म्हणटा आतां फाटल्यान जोकी आनी आमचो मॉविन are here today to support our local hockey teams of Asolna and Konkoli. You will realize, I'll mention one team, one game. India played against Germany in the Champions Trophy at Australia. India, आमचो पयलो गोल मारलो आमचो जलालुद्दीन मोयेकारलो. See, I remember some of the names: Jalaluddin, Somaya, then Mohammad Shahid, many of them. So गोल पडलो आमचेर 4 गोल पडले. ओके तरी फाटल्यान आमी एक बोलो 4 मारले 5 मारले. I think 8 minutes were left. I'll share the link to you. It's a match where you will get goosebumps in you. आणि 4 झाले आणि last minute I think joking if I remember. Last second of the match, 90th minute आमकां पेनल्टी कॉर्नर मेळ्ळें, पेनल्टी स्ट्रोक मेळ्ळो. आणि जोकी बाब म्हणटा तो आमचो पेनल्टी स्ट्रोक स्पेशलिस्ट. ही वॉज नोन टू बी अ हाफ सेंटर हाफ, डिपेंडेबल सेंटर हाफ. Movin was a forward and Bob Edgar was a goalkeeper. So everybody knew that if he comes to take the penalty stroke, it was a sure goal. I don't think he has missed, maybe one, I don't know. We used to feel so elated as a youngster. Not that I am so young and he is so old, but we used to feel so elated. आणि जोकीन तो गोल मारलो 90 last second penalty stroke. That video is there. Those days TV was not so popular, but that we have that video. We'll show it to you. And आम्ही draw केली. This is I don't think India has played any game better than that game. Movin was part of that.
Proud moment for me over here and all the people from Asolna that due to the kind efforts and with the hard-working efforts of Dr. Lewis Martin, Asolna Hockey Club and Kumbani Hockey Club has been formed. I'm sure that this legacy of Asolna hockey, where 2 Olympians, Dr. Westpace and myself, and also the neighboring village, Mr. Mohan Fernandez from Navili, that we'll have more Olympians from Goa, and that's what our dream is about. We've come over here, we've been coming here for the last 6 months now, and in one of the meetings where we bumped into Dr. Nelson, who was kind enough to invite us for lunch, and it's there where it took off about promotion and development of the game of hockey in Goa. What activated us is that I read one article in the Goan newspaper regarding the state of hockey in Goa. And so myself and Mohan Fernandez thought about giving back to the game, and why not to Goa? We've been Goans, and there are so many Goan origin from Mumbai who have represented India at the Olympics right from 1948. And the list is ending, and it was our dream that we should carry on the legacy and have a homegrown Goan Olympian from Goa. So I'm sure that all you Goans over here, all you Asolna and people from Kumpoli, I must mention over here that though I'm from Asolna, my mother's from Kumpoli, and I'm very happy today that both Asolna and Kumpoli have been launched. So with these words,
this hockey thought that came to our minds was something because we belong to Goa and we wanted to give back to the sport. And what better way than my friend Joachim, who spoke to Dr. Livingston and said, we want to start this. It's incredible that within 3 months or 4 months, how many months that we got the registration done. I've never seen something so quick. So big round of applause for getting things done. Normally we hear people saying we want to do something. It's only in the air. People say that, they talk about it, there are a lot of applauses about it, but to bring it into practice is something. And that's what we have seen here in Asolna. And it gives us pleasure to be part of something that means action. And Dr. Lenson, this is what you have proved, that you're a man of few words and a lot of action. We, Joaquin and myself, have started this particular thing to groom youngsters in Goa. And the idea is there should be continuity. Most places you have tournaments or you have coaching programs, but there's no continuity. Both of us, Joaquin and myself, have been talking about it for a long time, that whatever we host, there should be continuity so that children who are taking up the sport know there's something to look forward to. So please, we need your blessings, good wishes, that we can do what we proposed along with Dr. Lenson and the rest of the community over here for the love of the sport. We are really proud today and grateful that both of us and of course Edgar also being invited here and being felicitated by all of you all.